Hello, what's up everybody? I'm back with another video. Today video, I've been waiting to do it for a long time, but since it happened today, I thought why not make a video about it. So what do I mean? Let me show you what I mean exactly. So as you can see guys, on the way back home today I had a flat tire, and you can see right here, this is the puncture. So this is like it looks like a deep cut, but anyway, I'm gonna take out the wheel and show you how to fix or repair a puncture tire. So stay tuned with me, and I'm gonna take off the wheel and continue with my process. So as you can see guys, I'm back. I took out the wheels. So tools that you're gonna need, obviously brake lever. I got two, and this is a tool where you use well, I don't know if that's the right term, like to sand the inner tube basically before you apply the patches. And this is the stickers, the patch which will seal the hull, and this is like rubber solution. So I'm gonna apply one tire lever on one side, one important thing, if there is any air left, make sure you release it all out so that it will make your process easier to take out the tire. So one of the levers, we're gonna force out the tire, and you see that hook, we're gonna make sure it's holding into your spoke. Then with the other lever, we will just try to find our way. One thing I want to mention, make sure you do not use any sharp tools like you know, your screwdriver or anything, because it's gonna puncture your inner tube and you don't want to do that. So this is designated tools, you better use these tools. So there we go. So as you can see, now I got them two on, hooked. What I'll do, I'll just reverse it back. So as you can see, the tire is out to one side, and there is the tube. So I'm gonna take this washers out, push this pin backward, put them somewhere safe so that you don't lose them. So I'm just gonna pull out only the inner tube. So as you can see, this is the hole right here. I'm gonna pull out the tube, the same area. Okay everybody, I took out the inner tube, as you can see. So what I will do now, I'm gonna apply some air. I'm gonna pump the inner tube to find out where the hole is. Right away I can hear the air leak. Can you see it? It's right here. This is the hole. This is where it's leaking, so it's not major puncture. It's easy to fix. Okay. So before we proceed, we need to make sure there is not any sharp broken glasses or anything. Make sure you clean it thoroughly, and be careful for yourself as well. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna get this tool and just rub it. That will make the patch, when you apply them, they're gonna hold really firmly and tight. That's why we need to use this tool, like you sand it, you know. Okay, this is the area, as you can see. So that's gonna be perfect enough. So I'm gonna apply the glue now. This is the area that we're gonna put the patch on. So there we go. So leave it for about a minute just to dry, and got the patch ready as well. So we're gonna stick it right here. I'll just grab pliers, make sure there is no sharp edges on it, and just apply gently pressure just to hold it very well. So that's how it looks when it's been patched. We'll make sure we give it a nice good clean. So in the meantime, I'm gonna go back to the wheel and try gently check for any debris, any sharp edges. This is the hole that you can see, so make sure there is nothing, no sharp object left, so that when you put back the inner tube, once you inflate it, you don't want it to puncture basically again. So make sure there is no any sharp object, but be careful just in case if there is a broken glass inside left, you don't want to cut yourself. Just be one thing before you put back the inner tube, I'm just gonna inflate it to see if there is any leaks while it's out, you know, before you put it back. Then you don't wanna. Okay, there is not any air leak, I can't hear anything. Okay, YouTubers, so there we go, ladies and gentlemen. I put my tire all back.